I broke the tip off my knife the other day. I was cutting some bones apart and I was trying to pry them apart, and I heard a crack. I'm like, oh no, I pulled the knife out and the tip was gone. So I'm gonna reform the tip on it. It's a little hot. I want to take off a little bit more. I want it more pointed on the end. There we go. You don't want to get them cherry hot, but these doesn't get too warm. So now I'm gonna put the sharpness back on. There, got a new tip on the blade. Grinder works great. It has the vertical belt actually, and it also has a horizontal circular grinding wheel also. You could look in my description area for a link to purchase this grinder. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, click the notification bell, leave a comment, and have a great day.